Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome back to Confidence in English. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. We're so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into one of the most fundamental building blocks of English, the present simple tense.
You might think you know the present simple, but using it correctly is crucial for clear communication. It's the tense you use constantly to talk about your daily life, your routines, your opinions, and general facts.
If you want to describe what you do every day, what you like, or simply how the world works, you need the present simple. We'll break it down with clear examples to help you master it.
Part 1. What is the present simple for?
The present simple tense is used for three main things: habits and routines, things you do regularly. For example, I drink coffee every morning. General truths and facts, things that are always true. For example, the sun rises in the east. And opinions and states, how you feel or information about someone or something. For example, she likes chocolate, or he lives in London.
It's not for actions happening right now. For that, we use the present continuous. The present simple is about repeated actions or permanent situations.
Part 2. How to form the present simple.
Forming the present simple is usually quite easy. For most subjects, I, you, we, they, you just use the base form of the verb. I work, you study, we eat, they play.
The only tricky part is with the third person singular, he, she, it. For these, we add an S or ES to the end of the verb. He works, she studies, it eats.
Remember that ES ending for verbs ending in CH, SH, X, SS, Z, and O. For example, he watches TV. She goes to school.
Part 3. Negative sentences and questions.
To make a negative sentence in the present simple, we use do not or does not, often contracted to don't and doesn't, before the base verb. I do not work, or I don't work. He does not study, or he doesn't study.
Notice that when we use does not for he, she, or it, the main verb goes back to its base form without the S. You don't say he doesn't works. It's he doesn't work.
For questions, we put do or does at the beginning of the sentence. Do you live here? Does she like pizza?
Again, for does questions, the main verb remains in its base form.
Part 4. Practice with daily routines.
Let's put this into practice by talking about a typical day. Every morning, I wake up at 7 a.m. Then I have breakfast. My husband drives to work. I start my workday at 9 o'clock. We usually eat dinner around 7 p.m. I don't go to bed too late.
Notice how all these actions are habits or part of a regular routine. This is why the present simple is so powerful for describing your daily life.
Part 5. Final lesson review. That was a solid deep dive into the present simple. Let's quickly review the key points: uses, habits, facts, opinions, form, base verb, I, you, we, they, verb plus S or ES, he, she, it, negative, use don't or doesn't plus base verb, questions, use do or does at the beginning plus base verb.
Your challenge this week is to describe your own daily routine for 30 seconds using only the present simple tense. Record yourself and listen back.
Thank you for joining us today. Mastering the present simple is a massive step towards confident and clear English.
We'd love to hear from you in the comments. What is one thing you do every single day? Tell us using the present simple. We'll see you in the next lesson.
And don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.